Welcome back, savages, to another video. In this video we're going to have a look at a faulty O2 Joggler device. Now the problem with this device is when you plug it in, what happens is you just get this white screen that flashes on and off. Normally what would happen is if it was working correctly you would get the O2 logo on there and then it would just boot to the OpenPeak software, but it just looks like it's stuck on there. So what we're going to do is try and have a look to see if we can do anything with it. Otherwise we'll just bin it. Now as you can see, you've just got like a white screen and it looks like it's got a bit of screen burn on there, and I can just about make out a time imprint which is on there from before it went off. Now all that happened to cause this problem was the power was disconnected for about 20 minutes or so. It was switched back on and since then it just hasn't come back on. So what happens when you plug it in is you get this white screen that pops up and remains on, and occasionally it'll turn off and then just flash like it's just done there. Now luckily for me, when this was working originally, I've had issues with it in the past. I made a bootable USB device for reflashing the software. So let's see if that fixes the problem. So what you do is plug the USB into the USB slot here on the side and then power it up. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it doesn't look like it's a screen fault because it looks like it's booting from the USB. That's a good sign. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. Here we go, we're back. Open frame reflash system. Reflash will begin in 18 seconds. Go on then, got nothing to lose. Let's give it a try. There we go. Looks like flashing is complete. Or what does it? Press any key or wait 10 seconds for shutdown. Let's just wait for shutdown. Here we go. So that took a good 7 minutes, as it said in the bit up here, 5 to 7 minutes to complete. Let's see what happens when it restarts. So here we go, restarted it. Let's see what happens. Same white screen. Now it usually takes a few seconds for it to kick in and load up the startup file, so let's see if it does anything. Well, there we go. Would you believe it? It is now working. OpenPeak. Let's turn that around. Bingo. That is a result. So all you need to do, guys, before you throw your O2 Joggler away, might be worth just reflashing it again to see if that fixes the problem. It certainly has for this one. So I can keep this going for a bit longer. I'll leave a link in the description to the file that you can download to reflash the Joggler. So I hope it helps somebody out there, and thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.